Welcome to the City University of New York's Fast App tutorial. If you're a New York City public high school student, this step-by-step guide will help you navigate the now faster, simpler CUNY application process. To begin, visit www.cuny.edu/apply. Here you'll find options to start your application. As a first-time applicant, click on Start Your Application under Future Students. You'll be asked to provide your OSIS ID, date of birth, first name, and last name. To verify your identity, you'll be prompted to answer a security question based on your personal history, such as previous addresses or schools attended. Once your identity is confirmed and you're logged in, you'll access your application dashboard. Here you'll review the information already provided and make any necessary changes. Start by confirming or inputting your gender, mobile number, email, and home address. Make sure all information is accurate and current. Also, indicate if your legal name is different from what's listed on your school record or if you've had any former names. In the personal details section, you'll enter your country of citizenship. If your country of citizenship is the United States, you'll be prompted to provide your country of birth. If your country of citizenship is not the United States, you'll be asked to provide your immigration status, visa, or permit type, the date it was issued and when it expires, as well as your country of birth. Next, enter your Social Security number if applicable. You'll also have the option to indicate any military affiliation. Finally, complete the ethnicity section by indicating whether you are Hispanic or Latino, selecting your race and choosing the ancestry or country of origin that best describes you. Please keep in mind that this is an optional question. Next, review your educational history. Confirm the schools listed and let us know if any are missing, including any high schools or colleges you've attended. Providing your complete academic history is essential. Missing information can delay the processing of your application. Now, select up to 6 CUNY colleges to apply to. Start by choosing the term you're applying for, then click Add a College Choice. Select a college from the drop-down menu. Click Search and scroll to choose your intended major. Repeat this process by selecting Add a College Choice for each additional college. Select the college from the drop-down menu, click Search, and scroll to choose your intended major. Repeat this process by selecting Add a College Choice for each additional college. In this section, answer questions about your living arrangements for the upcoming academic year and whether you're interested in federal work study. In the fee payment section, you'll be able to apply a CUNY-issued fee waiver if you have one, or choose to pay now or pay later. After making your selection, click Make a Payment and Submit Application. Before continuing, you'll be asked to certify that the information you've provided is accurate. Then select Continue. If paying now, you'll be redirected to Nelnet, our secure payment partner. You can pay using a credit or debit card or an e-check. Once you've entered your payment details, click Submit Payment for $65. After your payment is confirmed, click OK to return to your application dashboard, where you'll see your application summary. You will receive an email confirmation. Thank you for your interest in the City University of New York. For additional help, visit www.cuny.edu/howtoapply.